today's date. Hello 5th standard students. Let's continue our chapter fraction. Lesson number 5, fraction. Grades 18, 30 and LSD. Okay. Last period we studied addition and subtraction of like fractions. Okay. Today we are going to study problem set number 22 and 23. Okay. First problem set number 22. Okay. Here we study addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay. How to add unlike fractions and how to subtract unlike fractions. Like fractions, it's very easy. 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. If it is like fraction, what do we do? We add only numerators and denominator, right? Denominator as it is. That is 5 upon 5. If the numerator and denominators are equal, its answer is, what is this? If we are adding numerator and denominators of two fractions, okay, are equal, the fraction is equal to 1. If numerator and denominator is equal, then its answer, that is its fraction is equal to 1. Okay, and when it is subtractions of like fractions, here is revision, okay, and 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. Here we subtract smaller fraction, the smaller denominator, small numerator from the bigger one. So 3 minus 2 upon, write down the denominator as it is, the answer is 3 minus 2, 1 upon 5. Okay, this is revision and addition and subtraction of like fractions. Okay, now this problem set number 22, we studied the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. For example number 1, that is addition. First one, addition. The first fact is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5. Look here, here are two fractions, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5. This is unlike fraction because the denominators are not equal. That means it is a unlike fraction. Here the small, first we write the multiples of denominator. ना unlike fraction को like fraction में convert करना हमें क्या किया था? We write down the common multiples. Okay, so multiple of 2. Multiples of 2 क्या थे? 2 1s are 2. 10, 12. And multiples of 5. This is multiple of 2 and 5. Like this. Okay. What is the common multiple in both these tables? That is 10. 10 is a common multiple. That means we write here 1 upon, write down this fraction as it is. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5. Look here carefully. Okay. Here 2 5s are 10. Okay. 2 5s are 10. When you multiply denominator by 5, multiple numerator also by 5. Here 5 2s are, that means 5 2s are. Okay. So when you multiply 5 by 2, that is denominator by 2, then multiple numerator also by 2. That means here you put the equal to sign. ये sign सब इससे आने चाहिए below 1 by 1. Okay. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10 plus 2 1s are 2 and 5 2s are 10. Look here. Now this is a like fraction. अब ये क्या हुआ? Like fraction. Why it is like fraction? Because its denominators are equal. Then it's very easy to add. When it is like fraction, what do we do? We add only the numerators. That means 5 plus 2 and write down the denominator as it is. Yes. Then 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 upon 10. Okay. Understand? Like this, you complete the addition of unlike fractions. Understand? दूसरी simple method है, you can multiply. ऐसे I will explain this one once again. 1/2 plus 1/5. आपको क्या करना है? Here we multiply first fraction को by the denominator of other fraction. Okay? मतलब ये जो denominator है इससे आपको multiply 1 multiply 5 plus divided by 2 multiply 5. Okay? Plus here write down the first fraction 1/5. Here what you will do here? Multiply 2. 2 is the denominator of first fraction. Multiply this like this. Okay? That is 2/2. Okay? Understand? Cross multiplication you can do. Understand? 1 multiply 5, 2 multiply 1 here and 2 multiply by 5 here. Okay? Understand? Then you convert it into the like fraction and then do addition. Okay? Next, I will explain once again another example. The example is 3/8. Second one is 3/8 plus 1/16. Look here. Here once again you write the multiples of 8 and 16. Okay. Right here. Multiples of 8. What? 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. Like this. Okay. And multiples of 16. Multiples of 16. That is 16 1s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 58. Like this. Understand? Now write down your fractions 3/8 plus 1/16 as it is. Look here, what is the common multiple here? 16 is a common multiple in the both the tables. Yes, that means 8 2s are. So 8 2s are 16. Okay, multiply numerator also by 2. Understand? Here 16 1s are 16. That means 16 1s are 16. Okay, then here also 1. Understand? Okay, so equal to sign, write down the equal to sign here. 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 1s are 1 and 16 1s are 16. Okay, now we convert this unlike fraction. This is unlike fraction. Yes, it is unlike fraction now. Converting this unlike fraction into like fraction. Then it is easy to add or subtract. Okay, now add only numerators. That is 6 plus 1 upon, write the numerator as it is, sorry, denominator as it is, because it is a like fraction, equal denominators. So what is the answer? 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 16. Okay, you can write here also 7 upon 16. Okay, understand? Clear? Okay, you can do cross multiplication also. या फिर you can write down the multiples of that denominators. Whatever is denominator, here is 2 denominators, so I write here multiples of 2. and 5 multiples of 5. Then what is the common multiples in both the tables? That is 10. Here 10 is a common multiples. So 2 5s are. That means 2 5s are 10. And here 5 2s are. So that means 5 multiply 2. When you multiply the denominator by number 5, then multiply the numerator also by 5. Here multiply by 2, then numerator also multiply by 2. Then we convert it into the like fractions, and then when it is a like fraction, it is easy to add the fractions. Understand? Okay? Like this you can do the subtraction also. Okay? Now subtractions. I will explain 2 examples here of subtraction also. For example, subtraction now. That is 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8. Okay, this is the unlike fraction. First we convert. Let us make 8 the common denominator of the given fractions. Okay, आप इसका क्या कर सकते हो? कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर निकाल सकते हो और फिर मल्टीपल्स लिखो. व्हाट इज द मल्टीपल्स? You can write down multiples here easily. Multiples of 4. 4 का टेबल. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are like this. Then multiples of 8. 8 1s are 8. Like this. We got a common denominator here, common multiple. Here is 8. Here is also 8. 8 is a common in both the tables. So write down once again. What is our fraction? That is 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8. Now look here. 4 2s are 8. That means 4 multiply 2. Okay. When you multiply denominator by 2, multiply numerator also by 2. Understand? Here 8 1s are 8. That means you multiply 8 by 1. Here also multiply by 1. Then equal to sign. You must write the equal to sign here. And like this, 3 2s are 6 upon 4 2s are 8 minus subtraction. It's subtraction. Okay. Now 5 1s are 5 and 8 1s are 8. Okay. Now it is a like fraction. Yes. These two fractions have a common denominator. Now this is a like fraction. So these fractions have a common denominator. Yes. So we shall subtract the second numerator from the first one. What is the next step? Subtract second denominator from the first one. That is 6 minus 5, and write down the denominator as it is. Okay. So what is the answer? 6 minus 5, that is 2. Sorry, 6 minus 5 into 1, 1 upon 8. This is your answer. Understand? Okay. 1 upon 8 is your answer. Like this, here I will explain another example of subtraction. Second example is that is 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Now here the smallest common multiple of these two is the 15. So we shall change the denominator of both fractions by 15. Look here. Write down the multiples. Okay, multiples of 5. First of all, it's an easy way. Multiples of 5. Write down the 5 table. 5 is 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15. Like this. Then multiples of 3. आपको डिनोमिनेटर्स के मल्टीपल्स लिखना है. मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 15. So first write down what is the fraction. 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. Okay, look here. 5 3s are 5, 3s are 15. It's a common multiple. Look here, 15 is a common in the both the tables. Okay, this is the common multiples. So 5 multiply 3, you multiply numerator also by 3. Here 3 5s are 3, 5s are 15. Multiply by numerator by 5. You put the equal to sign. Okay, then 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15 minus 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. That is 10. What do we do here? Subtract. We shall subtract the second denominator. Sorry, second numerator. We shall subtract second numerator by the first one. First numerator is 12 minus 10 and write down the denominator as it is. The answer is 12 minus 10, it is 2. 2 upon 15. This is your answer. Okay, clear? There are 10 sums in the problem set number 22. That is subtraction and addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Do like this in your notebook and send me up my number. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you problem set number 23. Okay, a fraction of fraction and a multiples of a fraction. Tomorrow we will continue this. Okay.